In this session, we'll be working on with the dictionaries. So normally a dictionary in a Python, it is a collection of key value pairs. So first we get into the simple example, then we'll see what is this key value pairs. Suppose I take a dog breed, okay, list of dog breeds. I'll take a small list. So in this case, the dictionary begins with the curly braces. So just take the curly braces. So dictionary starts with the curly braces. It is similar to the list. So in this case, first I will be creating the key. Suppose it's say D1, that is dog 1, and it is followed by a semicolon and again a value. Say I take a name of the dog is Labrador, right? Again comma. Once again I take the key to D2 and followed by a semicolon and followed by a value. I take one more dog name, say German Shepherd. Then again I take one more key, say D3, followed by a colon and it is followed by a value. Say I take it as Beagle. Then I take a last key as D4 followed by a semicolon, then I take it as the name as Boxer. Right now I just print this dog breed, shift enter. So in this case, what is this dictionary means? So dictionary in a Python is a collection of key value pairs, right? So in this case you have D1 is the key and it is the value. So in the list we have the index number is being called. The element in the index number can be called. In similar way, here you can call an element with the help of the key, right? So what is the key over here? You can call the element. So in this case, we go to dog breed. Say suppose I extract dog breed dot items. Let's see what is going to happen. So to just list out the dictionary items, right? So these are the dictionary items. So items is nothing but it will just list out the dictionary items, right? So dictionary items, we have the key D1 and followed by value. In similar way, the key D2 followed by the value German Shepherd, and D3 is a key value which is associated with the value Beagle, and D4 is the key and which is followed by a value Boxer. So I'll just once again split this dog breed and I want only the keys to be displayed. In this case, I put dog breed.keys and shift enter. In this case, it shows the dictionary keys. D1, D2, D3 and D4 are the dictionary keys, right? And in this case, suppose I require the values to be displayed. So dog breed.values and parenthesis shift enter. So in this case, in the dictionary values, you have Labrador, German Shepherd and Beagle and Boxer, right? So now you can extract the key. I require a specific key to be taken and I require a specific value to be displayed. So in this case, suppose I require the key D2 to be done. So in this case, suppose I take the dog breed and I take the square bracket, and instead of putting the element number, instead of putting the index number, I can put the key and extract the values associated with the key. So in this case, I require the German Shepherd value to be printed. In this case, instead of putting the index number, I can put the key as D2. It will extract the value of German Shepherd. So we will do that. So in this case, I just type D2, right? And I do shift plus enter. The value associated with the D2 key is being German Shepherd. So this is a simple way of working with the dictionaries.